welcome to my channel and foodie family. True to this and y'all ain't new to this, so welcome back. Guess what time it is? It is a vacation time. As you can see, I'm at the airport and my family and I are headed to the Dominican Republic. I had a mimosa. My mom, my sister, my niece Alani, Nick, and Cadence. We're on our way, honey. And Nick and Cadence, I think they were at Chick-fil-A. And me, myself, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all where I was. I was in that Centurion Lounge, honey. Amex membership has its privileges, or is it membership has its benefits? I don't know. It was my first time. Let me act like I've been somewhere before, y'all. But guess what? It was my first time, but it won't be the last. All right, gotta go catch up with them because the flight's boarding in 10 minutes. Let's go to the Dominican, y'all. You know we're gonna eat good. Did I say comment, like, subscribe, share? If I didn't, you know what to do. If I did, hey, do it 2 times. Bye. All right, so foodie family, this is our first 12 hours here at the Royalton Bavaro, and so far we've had breakfast, we worked out, and now we have on our swimsuits, and we're waiting on my family to arrive. They're supposed to land over an hour ago. Look! Hey, boo-boo! You vlogging? Yeah. Hey, Lonnie. Who's that? Who is it? Yes, this her resort now. Ain't doing nothing. Family, we made it. We made it to the water. Can you see it? I mean, can you see it? Check it out. Let me turn y'all around. Ooh, look at the glow though. Look at it. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Come on over. Lovey and Cadence. Lovey and Cadence. Woo! Okay, foodie family. So it's day 2.
And this is day 1.
It hasn't been 24 hours, but we're here. We're back at the buffet. So we're gonna see what we're gonna have tonight. I'm always gonna start with a salad. Every single time. What you starting with?
Bread.
What? She's starting with bread. And it's the white party tonight. Cadence is in all white. And I have some white on. Okay, we're hungry. Let's eat. over the whole plate.
Yeah, it was mine.
Oh, I feel it.
Oh, okay. All right.
Pull that off.
Oh,
You know what she want to say?
she just looking.
Oh, wait a minute.
She's making her own creation. It's hereditary. Foodie family, thank you for hanging out with us in the Dominican for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, maybe even a part 3, because y'all, a time was had. Remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications too. All right, bye.